Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a washing machine filter. A lot of people don't realize that there is a filter on these, but you do want to keep it clean. And it's really quick, it won't take very long. I'm going to show you how to do it. Ideally, you want to do it every 2 to 3 months. So let's go ahead and get into the video on how we clean the washing machine filter.
The washing machine filter is usually located behind this door on the front of the washing machine, but sometimes you'll have to remove the back panel, and that'll require a screwdriver for you to access the filter.
So now that you have this part open, we're going to take this tube and hold it over the container that we have and take the tip off. Should just pull right out. You may need a pair of pliers to do this part if it's on there pretty tight, but mine's coming out. I'm gonna dump this and then fill it up some more.
This location is where you access the filter that will be cleaned out.
There's a penny in here. Now I am going to take this to the kitchen to rinse it off. So I threw away the hair that's clumped up on here. I'm just gonna give it a wipe down. This is how you get a lot of the scent, the bad smells out of your washing machine. When you put this piece back in, you want to make sure that it's seated all the way up. Get it on as far as possible, and that's all it is. Remove the filter. First you want to drain it out. Pull this plug, drain it into a shallow pan. It can't be too tall because the water will not flow uphill. So yeah, just get a shallow pan and tilt it, tip it in there, and after that's done, put it right back up. And that's it. That's how you clean the washing machine filter. And that's all it took for cleaning the washing machine filter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.